How to withdraw money from Z League best method. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Z League and how you can withdraw money in the easiest way. So Z League is an application that allows you to gain money by playing these little games. So right here, as you can see, I have 9.51 balance in my account. So if I want to go ahead and withdraw this, I'm going to click on the top right section over here. So once you click on that, you're going to come here. Now, once you're over here, what's going to be happening is you're going to want to go ahead and go to the transactions section in your profile. All right. So we come here, we go to transactions right over here. And once you go to transactions here, you're simply going to go ahead and click on cash out. Once you click on cash out here, it says how much do you want to withdraw? You're going to click on next. You're going to click on continue. Obviously, make sure your minimum withdrawal is $100. But yeah, once you're over here, connect your bank account and verify your identity. And that is pretty much about it. And that is how you're going to be withdrawing money from Z League in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.